This is Mohan, and today we are going to discuss about the important interview questions in Node.js. Yeah, these are the today I'm going to explain you the 8 important questions uh, which we'll be having in the interviews. These are the most asked questions about the Node.js. Let's go to the topic. The first question is, what is Node.js? Yeah, and how does it differ from other server-side technologies like Apache or PHP? Yeah, the Node.js is a runtime environment for executing JavaScript code outside the browser. It is built on Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine and uses an event-driven, non-blocking IO model, making it efficient for handling multiple connections. Unlike Apache, which is a web server, yeah, I'm thinking you are understanding this. Yeah, which is a web server that serves static and dynamic content. Node.js is more of a JavaScript runtime that allows developers to build highly scalable network applications. Okay, uh, if you see that unlike an Apache and PHP, which is a server-side scripting language designed for web development, Node.js is a single-threaded and uses asynchronous programming which improves performance in handling multiple requests. Uh, I will provide the answers to. Let's see the another one. What is callback function? The callback function is a passed as an argument to another function and is executed later typically after an economic operation complete. Uh, and why they are commonly used in economic problem. In Node.js, callbacks are commonly used to handle operations like file reading, database queries, or application requests without blocking the execution of the other codes. If we have, we can write it like, yeah, const is equal to require reference. Yeah, this is the example code that we can use for the callback function. You can look here. This is the callback function where it's finding it's calling its function. And what is the purpose of the package.json file in a Node.js project? The package.json file is the metadata file or for a Node.js project. It defines project dependencies and configuration. Here the waypoints are yeah, name, the project name, version, description, dependencies, dev dependencies, scripts, mail, etc. Yeah, that's not the next question. I think this is the question that the next question. The example, the difference between the required and imported statements in Node.js. When and why would you use one over the other? Uh, the required is the common JS module system used in Node.js. Important is the ES6 module system introduced in modern JavaScript. We can use the example like require function. We have seen here that it is the one of the example for it. We how we use the required one statement in Node.js, and also import of we use import also import space fs from the first means it will import the fs. Use required order order Node.js applications or when using common JS modules. And it uses the important when working with the ES6 modules and what JavaScript syntax. Let's move to the other question. What is cultivated in the constant in the context of express.js? Can you give an example how you would use Milway as an express application? Yes. Uh, uh, if we discuss about what is a middleware, middleware in Express.js is a function that processes requests before they reach the final route handler. Middleware can be used for authentication, logging, error handling, and more. Let's see a small example code for this. You can see this is the small uh, code for using the build function. Uh, yeah, we use the required and we use the express. and we are giving some sure. And let's move to the next topic or the next question. What is the RESTful API and how you can create one using Node.js and Abstract.js? Explain the main HTTP methods used in RESTful APIs. It is the mostly used commonly used interview question. Uh, RESTful API. RESTful API means representational state transfer. Is an API that follows REST principles using HTTP methods to perform CURD operations. Yeah, we all know about the CURD operations. HTTP methods get retrieve data, post, create a new data, put, update, extend existing data, delete, removing data. Let's see a small example code for this also. Yeah, this is the example code for the uh, REST API using Express. You can look here, we use the Express in the variable app, and we assign the express.json file to it, and the port will be run in the 3000 logropos 3000 server. Let's move to the next topic. Yeah, what is the purpose of the node package manager npm, and how do you use it to manage the dependencies in node.js project? Yeah, npm means node package manager, is a package manager for node.js and allows developers to install, update, and manage library. We use the commands initialize a project npm init and install dependencies and npm install express and install as a dev dependencies. npm install not moving is dev and update a package npm update package slash name. Yeah, and remove package npm uninstall package name. These are all the commands. Just I will write here once. Yeah, you can look here the commands that we are using in the npm. Yeah, these are the commands. You can look here the how to install the project, install dependencies, install as they are dependency. For you updating your package and removing your package. Let's go to the last question. Why is it important to hash passwords in a web application? It is the mostly used interviewed question in the Node.js, in the topic of Node.js. Hashing passwords is crucial for the security base because storing plain text passwords makes systems vulnerable to data breaches. Hashing converts a password into a fixed length string using uh, an algorithm like a BCRPT, making it nearly impossible to reverse. I'll see an example code for. Yeah, this is the example code for the hash passwords. I have, as I had told you before, hashing password is a crucial security because storing plain text passwords make systems vulnerable to data breaches. Yeah, right. I hope this video will be useful to all. Thank you all.